Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by isolating the chip and starting the repair immediately. Clean the area with soap, water, then 70% isopropyl and let it dry. This prevents adhesion failure. Sand the damaged edges with 600 grit to feather the paint so the new layer bonds. Once done, wipe away dust with a tack cloth. Shake the touch-up bottle for 1-2 minutes and dab on a scrap surface to confirm color match before applying to the car. That saves time and rework. You now apply the paint in controlled, thin layers to avoid runs and to build an even finish. Start with a filling coat that sits slightly proud of the chip. Wait 10-15 minutes to tack up, then add thin additional coats for color and depth. Use a toothpick or fine brush for precise placement, and dab rather than stroke to limit visible brush marks. Once done, if you see high spots, wet sand lightly with 1200 grit, clean, and continue building until you finish by protecting and blending the repair for a seamless look. After the paint cures 24-48 hours, apply 2 thin clear coat layers and allow full cure per product directions. Once cured, wet sand with 1500 to 2000 grit to blend the edges, then polish with a fine compound to restore gloss. If you encounter orange peel or runs, let everything cure. Then wet sand the defect out and recoat. Test on a small area first to avoid enlarging the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.